video. Today, we are going to learn about the introduction to fiber. So let's start this amazing session. You know that fibers are what fabrics are made of. Just look at the fabric of the dress you are wearing. And look at this fabric too, which I am wearing. It is made of the thread prepared from small fibers. Just pull out a thread from a piece of fabric and open it up by untwisting. About 30,000 years ago, people started using animal skins for clothing. Yes, it is believed that wool was used as early as 6,000 years ago. The domestication of silkworms to produce silk occurred around 3000 BC in China. In India, cotton came into widespread use around 3000 BC. These fabrics were not stitched. They were just wrapped around the body. Even today, sari, dhoti and turban are unstitched pieces of cloth. Now let us understand what fibers are. Cloths are made mostly from fibers. Fibers are thin strands of thread that are twisted together to make yarns. Yarns are woven or knitted to form fabric. For example, cotton fabric and silk fabric. The fabric is stitched to make cloths. For example, cotton fabric can be stitched into a cotton frock or a cotton kurta like this. There are two main processes of making fabric from yarn, and those are weaving and knitting. Now think and write some of the other uses of fabrics in your house. Besides clothing, you are using fabrics in the house for bed linen, curtains, upholstery, cushion covers, etc. In the kitchen, you need dusters, mops, covers, etc., which are also produced from fibers. You use old cloth for dusting, wiping and covering, etc. So you see, you have varied uses of fabrics in the house, is it? Now weaving involves making fabric by arranging two sets of yarn. It is done using a machine called loom that can be hand operated or power operated. The pattern in which two sets of threads are arranged in a piece of woven cloth is called a weave. Knitting involves making fabric by forming a series of connected loops of yarn by using knitting needles or machines. Now sweaters are made from woolen yarns by knitting. Fibers used to make fabric may be natural or synthetic. Fibers that are obtained from plants or animals are called natural fibers. Examples are cotton, jute, wool and silk. And the fibers that are made by man from chemical substances are called synthetic fibers. Examples are nylon, rayon, polyester and acrylic. Let us learn more about plant fibers: cotton, jute, coir, silk cotton, hemp and flax are examples of plant fibers. Denim used to make jeans is also made from cotton. The cotton plant is a shrub. It grows well in black soil and warm climate. It needs moderate rainfall. Cotton is a soft fiber attached around the seeds of the cotton plant. A variety of textile products are made from cotton. In India, khadi, a coarse hand-woven cloth, is made from cotton. The cotton plant has a small green fruit called the cotton ball. The ball has seeds inside which are surrounded by cotton fibers. When the cotton ball matures, it splits open, exposing the raw cotton fibers. The heat of the sun dries these fibers. After the fibers have dried, the crop is harvested. Jute is a fiber obtained from the bark of the jute plant. It can be grown in different soil types ranging from clay to sandy soil. It grows best in loamy soil, that is, the mixture of sand, silt and clay. It grows well in regions where it rains a lot. Almost 80% of the world's high-quality jute comes from Bangladesh. Now, bundles of jute plants are dipped in water. The water rots away the stem and dissolves the sticky substance separating the fibers. The process of rotting the stems to remove the sticky substance and separate the fibers is called retting. Now, coir is the fiber obtained from the outer covering or the husk of the coconut. Usually, coconuts are left in water for a few months. The husk is then separated from the nut and beaten with wooden mallets to get the fiber. Coir is used to make several household products such as ropes and floor coverings, and also as a stuffing in mattresses and pillows. Silk cotton is another plant fiber that is commonly used as a stuffing in pillows, sleeping bags and life jackets. This fiber is obtained from the silk cotton tree, also called capo. Hemp fibers are obtained from the stem of the hemp plant. Hemp fibers are used in the production of ropes, carpets, nets, cloths and paper. Flax fibers obtained from the stem of the flax plant are woven to make a fabric called linen. Flax fibers are also used in the production of ropes and high-quality paper. Eli Whitney was an American inventor who is famous for the invention of the cotton gin. Eli was born into an agricultural family. While growing up, he had seen how difficult and time-consuming the process of cleaning cotton was. He thus invented a special machine that cleaned cotton quickly and easily, separating the fibers from the seeds. Father of nation Mahatma Gandhi promoted the use of spinning charkha throughout India. The charkha came to be recognized as the Indian symbol of self-sufficiency and independence all over the world. Now it's time for a questionnaire. Click on the correct option flashing on the screen. State true or false. Yarns are woven or knitted to form fabric. Option A, true, and option B, false. Yes, you are right. The answer for this question is true. So today, we have learnt about the fiber and fabric. I hope you understood it well. Take care, have a great day and keep learning.